Today I had to take the engine out of the Volkswagen, and it was binding up and I couldn't figure out what was causing it, so I have to take it completely apart. And once I do that, I've been working on a modification, so I will go ahead and rebuild the engine in a different configuration, which I think will be much better and be easier to adjust timing on it and have quite a fewer parts than what that looked like. But for the time being, I've still got a number of things to take apart. I do have to take every cylinder off in order to get the push shafts back and get those off. The problem I found out was that the welds had broken on the stems that the bearing is held on with and rides in the groove. So once I get that re-welded, then I can start rebuilding and work on the modification. Well, I've got it down a little lower now, so I've just got one set of cylinders, and I'm going to have to take those off. I've got to re-drill the center hole to accept a 3/8 flare fitting. I'm going to be going with 3/8 fittings and 3/8 copper and everything to try to have a minimum of a 3/8 hole throughout the system. The last few days I've been working. I got all the cylinders taken off and all the holes re-drilled for the 3/8 fittings, and got my push shafts welded, put back together, and now my next step will be to remake the 6 valves from scratch. And also I have to have a 9.5 inch plate made for the top. This black plate will be replaced with a round 1/2 inch plate where the valves will be mounted underneath the plate, and that's my cam that controls the intake and exhaust when the engine runs. So I've made some progress, but there's still quite a lot to go. I'll keep working, and as I progress, I'll make another video to kind of let you see where I'm at. So for now, thank you for checking in, and anybody that would like to follow along and see how it turns out, please check the little notification bell at the top when you subscribe, and you'll be notified each and every time I put out a video.